Okay, number 2, same type problem. It says if the book is thick, then it takes a long time to read. So the if and the then is the arrow. And then the book is thick, we will call that P. And it takes a long time to read, we'll call that Q. So the first premise is if P, then Q. The second premise simply says the book is thick. That is just P. And then of course then you have the line that separates them. And then it says it takes a long time to read. So you're back to the same words as up here. It takes a long time to read. Therefore that's Q. And so I will go and open this up. And we're looking for, this is what we did last time, we're looking for if P, then Q, and a P, therefore a Q. And that one is, I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me move it over. Can I move this over? Nope. It's not letting me move it. Okay. That's weird. Why can't I move this? There we go. It's this one. The law of detachment. Do you see it? Okay. So I will click on the law of detachment. And of course the law of detachment is one of the valid arguments. So yeah, it's valid. I think I'm going to go ahead and do number 3 also. I got time to do 2 and 1. All right. Okay, this one says, my shoes smell bad. Oh, come on, marker. Or we are near a sewage plant. Okay, so I'm going to let the my shoes smell bad be the letter P, and we are near a sewage plant would be the Q. And then you're going to connect P and Q together by an or. And the symbol for or is the V. Okay. That's the first premise. That's the first sentence. And then it says, my shoes do not smell bad. Okay, well, whatever. My shoes smell bad is P. Now it says my shoes do not smell bad. So the do not would be a negation to the my shoes smell bad, which is a P. And then we've got the separation. And then the last line says we are near a sewage plant. They didn't make any negation on that. We are near a sewage plant. That is Q. All right. So now let me find this again. Let me erase that. Okay. So we're looking for P or Q. Negation of P, therefore Q. It's this one. Disjunctive syllogism right there. See it? P or Q, negation of P, therefore Q. So, what did I say it was? Disjunctive syllogism. Here we go. That one, and that was one of the valid ones. How could I forget this so soon? I just looked at the daggone thing. Yes, disjunctive syllogism, and it's one of the purple ones, which is the valids. It even says up here, valid arguments in purple. Okay, so that was 2 and 3.